how to add signature to PDF on Adobe Acrobat Reader. So to basically add signature to PDF on Adobe Acrobat Reader is actually quite very simple for us to do so. So what we do for this is we actually go ahead and then launch the Adobe application, and this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Then you go ahead and then simply select your PDF file over here. Under that PDF file, you'll actually find a toggle that says fill and sign. Tap on fill and sign. It will ask you to fill in form fields. So it will download the tool if it's not already downloaded. Then you can tap on this pencil or pen icon here. Then here you can see add signature. So now you can simply go ahead and then add in your signature over here. I'm just choosing a random one because I'm just creating for the video. Then once done, now you can see we can simply add our electronic signature right over here by just tapping on it, and then our signature has been successfully added right there. If you want to, you can choose to delete it, by the way, but it's totally dependent upon you. So this way you can go ahead and then basically add a signature or a digital signature to your PDF. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.